So, good evening all, welcome to Sakal Vidya YouTube channel. Still joining, okay. Hi, okay. Audio is coming, audio, hello, hello everyone, are you able to hear my voice? Okay. Hello, okay, clear, thank you, right. Okay, today we start new chapter. So, any new problems of the limits after I will discuss later. Okay, Surya Prakash, welcome, is regular, okay, right. So, now, so let us have a discussion on first of all tangents and normals. Okay. First, okay, let us consider the coordinate axis. Okay. So, this is say now this is x axis, this is y axis. For example, this is the origin. Let us consider like this. Okay. So, for example, this is a curve, this is a curve. So, let us say like this, let y is equal to f of x be a continuous function over interval something I say. This is a continuous function y is equal to f of x. For example, now what is the tangent to this function? So, that means for example, so you draw a tangent like this. Okay. Say this is a tangent line. Okay. So, now this is a tangent line. Say this point is for example, say P point. let us say the coordinates of the point be p x1 comma y1. So, this is, for example, say this curve is y is equal to f of x. So, this line touches this curve at one point, this point, that is, this point is called point of contact. For example, p x1 comma y1 is called point of contact, point of contact. At p x1 comma y1 this touches. For example, say this line is something L. This L is called tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x. This tangent makes angle, for example, say theta with x axis, positive direction of the x axis. So, now how to find out the tangent to the y is equal to f of x? So, first follow these steps first. You need to follow these steps. What is the step? Step 1 means find dy by dx. That means derivative of this function we need to find out first, dy by dx, say f dash x. Now, the second step, we need to find out the value of dy by dx at p of x1 comma y1. That means find dy by dx at p, or we can write like this, dy by dx at the point x1 comma y1. So, this is called, actually this is called slope of the tangent, slope of the tangent, denoted by m. Okay, that means m is equal to, we can write like this one also, this one, dy by dx at p. So, that means how to find out actually the slope of the tangent means, first we need to find out dy by dx, then substitute the point, then we get slope of the tangent, that is denoted by letter m. Moreover, this m is equal to, we can say tan theta also, where theta is called inclination of a line or inclination of the tangent, So, that means even inclination of the tangent also we can find out. So, this is called actually the tangent, understood now. So, now, so we shall have a discussion how to find out, see, equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent. How to find out equation of the tangent? See, already we know slope of the tangent m is equal to dy by dx at p. P is point is x1 comma y1. Then in straight lines we have studied, for example, the equation of the line passing through x1 comma y1 and having slope m is given by y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. This is called point slope form, that is all. This is the equation to the tangent. Okay, equation to the tangent. The equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at x1 comma y1 we can find out like this. So, first step is dy by dx. Here also first step we need to find out dy by dx. Second step we need to find out m. dy by dx at p, and third we need to apply the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So, these three steps are to be followed. For example, let us consider one example here. The equation of the tangent to y square is equal to 4ax at at square comma 2at. For example, you need to find out this one. Let us see how to find out this one. First, we need to find out derivative of this one. This first step we need to follow this one. So, that means differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get 2y dy by dx is equal to 4a into x differentiation 4a. So, we get now dy by dx equals to 4a by 2y, that is 2a by y. Next, slope of the tangent we need to find out. M is equal to dy by dx at at square comma 2at. So, that means 2a divided by y means 2at, you need to substitute, that is 1 by t. Now, you know the slope and point, the point is at square comma 2at. So, that means in the place of y1 you can write 2at, in the place of x1 you write at square, in the place of m you can write 1 by t. After simplification you can find out the equation of the tangent to the given curve y square is equal to 4ax. So, like that we can find out. Okay. So, now again let us come to this curve now. What is the normal now? What is the normal? So, let us have a discussion now for that one. So, normal means normal is the perpendicular to the tangent passes through the point of contact to the curve. So, that means for example, so normal is a line like this, passes through the point of intersection. Okay. Okay. So, this is the another line. Here see the angle between tangent and normal is 90 degrees, 90 degrees. Now, this is called normal. Normal. Now, I ask you one question. See, slope of the tangent is for example m. What will be the slope of the normal? Yes, obviously slope of the normal becomes, slope of the normal is equal to minus 1 by m. Now, how to find out equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to f of x? So, let us see the steps now. So, now here, so equation to the normal, equation to the normal or equation of the normal. Okay, how to find out? First step, this one also dy by dx we need to find. Second step, we need to find out m, slope of the tangent only, dy by dx at p, px1 comma y1. Then equation, now slope of the normal, slope of the normal, slope of the normal is equal to, we have minus 1 by m, because normal is perpendicular to tangent, normal is perpendicular to the tangent. Now, fourth one, so having slope minus 1 by m and passing through the point x1 comma y1, the equation is given by y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1, or cross multiply, or you can write like this also, x minus x1 equals to minus m into y minus y1. So, this is the equation of the normal, or in order to find out equation of the tangent or equation of the normal, now we need to follow the same procedure itself only. First we need to find out dy by dx. At the particular point we need to find out slope of the tangent, that is the m value. Okay, wait, now I will check here any problem is there. So, good. Okay. Right. I think now it is clear. Okay, okay, okay. Buffering. Okay, you will get it now. You will get it. So, now the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at p x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 equals to m times x minus x1, where m is equal to dy by dx at p, or dy by dx at x1 comma y1. This is the equation of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x. Okay, next point, the equation of the tangent, equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to f of x at p x1 comma y1 is y minus y1 is equal to minus 1 by m into x minus x1, or x minus x1 is equal to minus m times y minus y1. Already m we have discussed, that is all. So, please actually note down these important points. Next, some more important points we shall discuss after this. Important points. Okay, important points. First point, the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the parabola y square is equal to 4ax is, what is the condition? Okay. So, now y square is equal to 4ax is c is equal to a by m, or a is equal to chief minister CM, or we can remember like this, a is equal to chief minister CM. So, next second point, the condition for the line y is equal to mx plus c to be a tangent to the parabola x square is equal to 4ay is c equals to minus am square. Even this will be useful for conic section also. Okay, right, c is equal to minus am square. Next, third point, the equation of the common tangent to the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by is, this is very important for even parabola chapter as well as, okay, the equation of the common tangent to the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by. So, 4by is, this will be very important for even conic section as well as here also. Sometimes this question may be given under this tangents and normals, under even parabola also. So, now that will be, you need to remember like this, a to the power of 1 by 3 into x plus b to the power of 1 by 3 y plus ab to the power of 2 by 3 equals to 0. That means, in the examination, in the place of 4a constant will be given, in the place of 4b constant will be given, you need to substitute a, b values, that is all. Even you can find out, see, even you can find out the equation of the common tangent to the parabolas y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay also. Here you will be getting a power 1 by 3, a power 1 by y. Here actually you will be getting, see, a square, a into a square all to the power of 2 by 3 is equal to 0. So, that also you will be getting. Okay, and one more point, the condition that y is equal to mx plus c, may be a tangent to the ellipse to the ellipse, standard form of the ellipse, x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 is c square is equal to a square m square plus b square. Okay. Right. Next, fifth one. One minute, I will check it now. Right. Next one, fifth one, the condition that y is equal to mx plus c may be a tangent to the hyperbola x square by a square minus y square by b square equals to 1 is c square is equal to a square m square minus b square. Okay. Right. Check third point formula. Yes. B to the power of 1 by 3. Right. B to the power of 1 by 3. So that means now this we can remember like this. For example, y is equal to mx plus c is a tangent. For example, this is for parabola, y square is equal to 4ax, x square is equal to 4ay, and ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1, and x square by a square minus y square by b square is equal to 1. So, this is the tangent to this one, and even this one, and even for this one. What is the condition? C is equal to a by m. Here C is equal to minus am square. C square is equal to a square m square b square. Here C square is equal to a square m square minus b square. You can remember like this. Okay. Right. So, next, angle between the curves. Angle between the curves. So, how to find out the angle between the curves? So, let us have a discussion now. So, for example, if the two curves, these two curves meet at 2 points, say for example this point is P, say this point is Q, this P, Q are points of intersection of two curves, say first curve is, this is first curve, for example y1 is equal to f1x and y2 is equal to sorry, 1 minute, say this is y only, y is equal to f1x, next y is equal to f2x. See, what do we mean by the angle between the curves? That curves also plane curves, this is plane curves. See, now here you draw a tangent at this point. Draw another tangent to the first curve. So, now if you observe, they make angle between them. Okay. Now, we can observe that there is a angle between these two curves, say theta, but these two are the tangents. That means the angle between the tangents drawn at the points of intersection of the curves is called angle between the curves. So, what is the angle between the curves? Angle between the curves is the angle between the tangents drawn at the points of intersection, of curves. So, this is the concept of the angle between the curves. So, that means similarly here also we can find out, here also we can draw tangents. So, here also we can find out angle between the curves. For example, say this is alpha. So, this is actually the concept of the angle between the two curves, So, now we shall have a discussion how to find out the angle between the two curves. So, what are the steps need to follow, that we shall have a discussion now. See how to find out. How to find the angle between two plane curves. That means that must be two-dimensional figure curves. So, steps. So, let us say the two curves be, let y is equal to f1x, y is equal to f2x, be two curves, So, the step 1 we need to find out point of intersection. First, find the points of intersection of the curves. This is the first step we need to find out. Sometimes, because actually it's being a competitive entrance examination, they may give the points of intersection. If not, we need to find out. So, second step is find dy by dx to the first curve, say f1 dash x, and find derivative of the second function, say dy by dx, that is f2 dash x. Next, find the slopes at the points of intersection. For example, points of intersection is P for example. So, now find m1, that is f1 dash x at P, and find slope of the tangent to the second curve f2 dash at P. Next, now third, let theta be the angle between the two curves. Then tan theta you need to find out. Tan theta is equal to modulus of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. Here where m1 m2 does not equal to minus 1, these conditions. So, in this way we can find out the angle between the two plane curves. Formula we need to use tan theta is equal to mod of m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2, where m1 m2 does not equal to minus 1, where m1 into m2 does not equal to minus 1. Now, the special cases also may occur whenever we are going to find out the angle between the two plane curves also. For example, here see, if you get directly m1 is equal to m2, then the two curves touch each other, we say that if m1 is equal to m2. Suppose if m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1, they cut orthogonally. That means angle between the two curves is actually we say that 90 degrees, understood now. So, that means now special cases. Important points. First point, suppose if m1 is equal to m2, then the two curves touch each other. They have one common tangent and a common normal also. Generally, so like this, the two curves touch at point C, for example, one tangent, and even one normal also we can find out. This is normal, this will be tangent, this is the normal. Suppose if m1 into m2 equals to minus 1, then the two curves cut each other orthogonally. So, that is the angle between the curves theta is equal to 90 degrees. here the angle between the curves is theta is equal to 0 degrees, we say. Here 90 degrees. Okay, 90 degrees. Okay. Next point, third point we shall discuss. The point of the points of intersection, the points of intersection of the curves y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay, x square is equal to 4ay, or 0 comma 0 and 4a comma 4a, 0 comma 0 and 4a comma 4a. So, if you solve these two equations, actually y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay, you get the points of intersection. So, that means actually you get like this. Suppose say this is x axis, this is y axis, the y square is equal to 4ax is the right handed parabola, this is the origin. So, this will be upwards parabola. Say this is the point of intersection P. So, we can say this point of intersection is 4a comma 4a, whereas this is 0 comma 0. See, x axis is the one tangent, y axis other tangent. Angle at 0 comma 0 is 90 degrees. At 0 comma 0, these two curves cut orthogonally. At 4a comma 4a also we can find out. So, now let us write the concepts now. So, fourth point, at 0 comma 0, y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4ay cut orthogonally. So, you can check once again. See, this is a tangent, this is also tangent, angle between them is 90 degrees. Okay. So, next one, at 4a comma 4a, at 4a comma 4a, the angle between them, is theta is equal to tan inverse 3 by 4, tan inverse 3 by 4, this is fixed, tan inverse 3 by 4. Okay, right. Next, one more important point we need to discuss. This is very, very important while solving the problems. Please remember, this is very, very important. Once again, I am giving the flag also for this one. Okay. So, very, very important now, important point. Okay. Now, fifth point, if the curves xy is equal to c square and y square is equal to 4ax. Okay. X square is equal to y square, y square is equal to 4ax, cut each other orthogonally, then c power 4 is equal to 32a power 4. So, generally these kind of problems, this is the actually this is a hyperbola, this is a parabola. If they cut each other orthogonally, this condition we need to remember. This is very, very important condition. Okay. So, leave it all of you, please. Okay. Now, the sixth concept also important concept. So, now sixth concept, if the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k, cut orthogonally, then 8k square is equal to 1. This is the condition. So, you need to remember these two conditions. So, okay. Right. So, and one more important condition you remember, seventh one, this is also very, very important. If you remember, the problems will be solved very simple manner. Okay. So, now the curves a1x square plus b1y square is equal to 1, next a2x square plus b2y square is equal to 1, cut each other orthogonally, then the condition is 1 by a1 minus 1 by a2 equals to 1 by b1 minus 1 by b2. So, these 3 points are very, very important points regarding to the, if the curves cut orthogonally, the most of the problems, yes, already actually I have drawn the figures typical to draw on this one, but I am trying my level best. Next one is 8th point. This is also important. Okay. Angle between the curves y square is equal to 4ax and x square is equal to 4by at their point of intersection is theta is equal to tan inverse of 3 times a to the power of 1 by 3 b to the power of 1 by 3 upon 2 times a to the power of 2 by 3 plus b to the power of 2 by 3. This you need to remember. xy is equal to c square is a rectangular hyperbola. So that means x square minus y square is equal to a square is actually without shifting the origin. If you rotate by angle 45 degrees, you will be getting xy is equal to c square. So that is a rectangular hyperbola. You remember one thing. Okay, now tomorrow I will start the problems. Yes. So now lengths of tangent normal subtangent and subnormal okay, lengths of tangent, normal, subtangent and subnormal. So now how to find out length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of the subtangent and length of the subnormal. Okay, so let us find out now. Okay, now say this is the origin. Okay, x axis, x dash, y and y dash. Say origin, this is origin. See, for example, you take the curve. For example, this is y is equal to f of x. This is y is equal to f of x curve. For example, you draw a tangent to this. Okay, wait now 1 minute. This is y is equal to f of x. Okay. Okay. So now this is the tangent, for example, at this point. Say this point is P. Okay, wait now 1 minute. this point is P x1 comma y1 for example. So, now say this is the okay. So, now this is another line perpendicular to the tangent and passes through the point of intersection. Okay. Now, let us label it now. Okay. So, now this point is say P point whose coordinates are x1 comma y1, say this is T, say this makes angle theta, say this is P n, drop the perpendicular from here, drop the perpendicular. Okay, wait now. So, I will draw exact perpendicular. So, drop the perpendicular here. So, now say this is M, okay, like this. Otherwise, you can say better Q, say, okay. So, now see the distance from the P point to this T point, PT. So, PT is called length of the tangent, length of the tangent, length of the tangent to the curve y is equal to f of x at P x1 comma y1. So, now this TQ is called projection of PT on x axis, this is x axis, this is x axis, on x axis. So, that is why here TQ is called length of subtangent, length of subtangent, subtangent. Now, this Pn is called length of the normal, length of the normal, length of the normal. So, next this Qn is the projection of Pn on x axis. So, Qn is called length of the subnormal, length of the subnormal. Okay. Now, we shall have a discussion, how to find out length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of the subtangent, length of the subtangent and length of the subnormal to the any curve. So, let us have a discussion on that one. Okay. So, now how to find out length of the normal means, for example, let us say y is equal to f of x be a plane curve. Now, for example, at P x1 comma y1, we need to find out length of the tangent, length of the normal, length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal. So, that means first we need to find dy by dx. Find dy by dx. Derivative we need to find out. Say that is f dash x. Second step, find the slope of the tangent. That means find m is equal to dy by dx at p. Substitute. After finding this m value, now we can formulate like this. First formula, length of the tangent, length of the tangent. So, length of the tangent equals to, so y1, y coordinate of the point of intersection by mod m, slope of the tangent at p, multiplied by root of 1 plus m square, units you will be getting. Length means units. Okay. Next, second one, length of the normal, length of the normal. See, length of the normal is given by y1, okay. This is mod of y1, right? Mod of y1 by m. This will be mod y1 root of 1 plus m square. Next, length of the subtangent, length of the subtangent, length of the subtangent is equal to mod y1 by m, mod y1 by m. Next, length of the subnormal, length of the subnormal is equal to mod y1 into m. So, you need to remember all these formulae. So, these formulae very important. Okay. Next, okay, I can ask one question to you. How to find out area of the triangle, area of the triangle formed by this tangent, normal with x axis. This area we need to find out. How to find out this area? This area means actually the angle between them is how much? This will be 90 degrees. The area of the triangle is equal to base, this is the base, this will be the height. So, that means area of the triangle formed by the tangent normal to the curve with x axis is given by delta, you can say, that is equal to half multiplied by, you can write pt into pn. So, I will show you what is pt. What is pt? So, this is pt, length of the tangent. This will be pn. Understood now? So, now here we can write of mod of y1 by m into root of 1 plus m square into, here we have what? y1 into root of 1 plus m square. This is mod. So, this equals to, we can write now. So, y1 by m into y1 by m, that is y1 square by into 1 plus m square by 2 mod m, square units. This will be square units. So, this is the area of the triangle formed by the tangent normal with x axis. So, with the help of this formula you can evaluate it. Understood now? Yes, of AB, of base into height, that is correct, absolutely. This will be the proof, easily we can find out. So, now I will explain one shortcut today and I will close the session. So, now one important shortcut I will explain to you. So, very important shortcut. So, now that shortcut is C. For example, one question I will give it. The equation of the tangent to the curve x by a whole to the power of 20 plus y by b whole to the power of 20 is equal to 2 at a comma b. You think this question now? The equation of the tangent to the curve x by a whole to the power of 20 plus y by b whole to the power of 20 equals to 2 at a comma b. Anybody? You can answer it in the chat box now. Then I will close the session. Tomorrow we shall go for the problems. No, not yet. I didn't receive any answer from your side. What is the answer? Shall I explain? Okay, very simple. So, this problem seems to be very lengthy. Here one logic you follow, this the magic or logic, you can say logic. So, what is the logic means? This 20 I will write like this: x by a into x by a whole to the power of 2019. Can I write like this? Plus this y by b whole to the power of 20 we can write y by b into y by b whole to the power of 2019 equal to 2. Now, put a comma b. That means, in this brackets only you need to substitute x for a, y for b. That means, you will be getting x by a into 1 x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. This is the answer. That is all. That means, in the textbook you have this problem. Instead of 20 you have the same question. I will repeat this one: x by a whole to the power of n plus y by b whole to the power of n equal to 2. Yes, wonderful, Madhurima. That is x by a plus y by b is equal to 2. Absolutely correct. Okay, thank you one and all. See you tomorrow. Many logics and magics we shall discuss in the session. So, understood now. So, these kind of techniques we can follow. So, that I will explain while explaining the problems. I hope. So, stay at home, stay safe. Thank you one and all. Bye bye. Okay. Yet internet might be problem. See you one and all.